your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. And look what I've got. I guess I should turn it around. I have a box from Stampin' Up! Yay! I got to make a small order. I should say my husband made a small order for me today. So I'm going to open this up. And before I do, let me just tell you, we do have quite a few specials going on, and I believe I've mentioned that at least on Instagram and probably Facebook, but I don't know if I've said anything about it on here. But and I probably have, like, down in the description, and I'll make sure and post that again. There's like bonus days going on all month long, quite a few deals, so make sure you go on my channel, which is www.southernangels.stampinup.net, and check that out. You'll see all of our specials with everything going on. Also, when you order this month of July, here's the new host code. Now, if you're seeing this after July, there will probably be a new host code, so you can also check with me for that. So, and just like if you see another video and it's after that month and you're seeing an old host code, just always remember to check with me for new host codes, because I usually put up a host code just about every month. So with that being said, let's get on into this video. I'm going to adjust this, and let's see what we got here. Because I'm the one that made the order, and then of course I asked him to take care of it for me since I haven't made any sales just yet. He was nice enough to do that for me. Okay, I know I got cardstock in here, and I think I got some inks. Move all this. Here's my packing slip, and oh yeah, he had to put. I'm gonna have to go and order a couple of things again, because yeah, I think he had to put a couple of things back. But I do have, let's get everything out. Do that way and move the box. I think he had to put some ink pads back at the moment. Here we go. That y'all can see. So we got a soft suede ink pad. I'm needing some neutrals, and I had gotten ink pads to go with all my paper, but I'm gonna have to go back and order, because I got the soft suede paper and the soft suede cardstock, and there's terrible glare, and the soft suede ink pad. So I'm so happy I finally got a neutral. So that's good. I also got the Whisper White. I was out of that, so I needed that. And I got the Nuggets over there chasing the fly. I got the Whisper. Of course, I got the Whisper White. I showed you that. I got the new Highland Heather, and that is so pretty. Back before the catalog ever came out, I had bought, when we got to do like the pre-order, oh, there it is. I had bought just the Highland Heather ribbon. And that's all I got in the Highland Heather. Now, I ordered the ink also, but we had to put it back, so I've got to go back and reorder it to go with this. And so I'm excited. This is one of my favorite colors. I love any lavender or purple I'll tell you that right now. That's my favorite color. I love that. But I'm excited too to use my new, you know, all they have is white twine, or of course the new twine that goes with, oh goodness gracious, my brain today. The Memories and More, oh well, it goes with the Come Sail Away set, the Sweet, that twine. They have that twine, but they don't have any like colored twine. So what I did, I made my own colored twine, and I made some out of Blackberry Bliss and Gorgeous Grape. So I may have to get me a, and I did it with my ring inker, so I'll have to get me a re-inker of the Highland Heather probably, so I can make me some twine to go with that. I love that color. That is pretty. I wasn't sure how light that was. I like that a lot better now than I even thought I would. And then I got me some Mossy Meadow, and I had gotten the ink pad to go with it as well. Excuse me. So I'll have to make sure and reorder that one. So that was my little order that I had gotten, just these right here. And I've got to get a few more things. I'd like to get some a new stamp set, but I haven't been able to get that yet. I've got some from my pre-order. I haven't even had a chance to really work with them yet, so I really need to make some time and do some cards with those anyway. But cardstock is what I've been really needing. Cardstock and ink, so more than stamp sets. So I wanted to share that with you, because tell you what, their cardstock and ink is really great. I love it. I realized just how much I loved it and how much better it was when I started using it compared to some of the other stuff that you get. So if you've not tried it yet, I suggest you try it. If not, they have other, if you don't like it, they do have other great products. I also need to get me some more of their blocks. I love their blocks. I like how they're doubled there. They're easy to hold on to. So I need to get me some more blocks. Found that I need to get some larger blocks. But they have a lot of great products. So yeah, I just wanted to share what I got and let y'all know again about the new host code. And like I said, about the double bonus deals this month, all this month till August, so you don't want to miss out on those deals. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up and share, comment below, tell me which one's your favorite color, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thanks again for watching.